Hey guys, welcome to back to another video. Today's video we got a full interior and exterior detail that I'm going to do on this F-150 right behind me. I'm not going to really show you guys too much of how I'm doing it. I'm just going to walk you guys around and show you guys what it looks like now before and then after. So as you can tell, the whole front end here is pretty splattered with bugs. We'll get that all taken care of. Wheels and tires will get fully cleaned. As you can tell, they're pretty gross. Inner wheel wells, everything will be cleaned here with this interior and exterior detail that I'm doing. Yeah, I don't know. I'm new to this whole doing a voiceover thing, so if you guys enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. Don't be too harsh on me. So here we got the inner wheel well, looking pretty gross. Not crazy, not like they went mudding or anything crazy like that. It's just a everyday driver. I think this guy uses it for work too. We got the inside passenger side here, dirty door jambs, door sills, floor mat's pretty gross. Obviously cup holders, it's given. Those are always disgusting. This one's not actually bad. A couple spilled coffees, looks like. And dust, but nothing crazy. This really isn't that bad of a truck to detail. This is a customer that I have detailed before. I think I detailed it about half a year ago. And this is what its back looks like. But it's half a year of winter, Canada, so can't expect too much. Just to take note, guys, I'm always using Adams Polish's detailing products when I'm doing details. It's just my personal preference. I will link their website down below so you guys go check them out. This is one last clip here of front end, or the front driver's side, I should say. Can't speak apparently. So yeah, like I say, this isn't crazy, but it needs a detail. Alright, and that concludes this detail. I'm now done, and customer's actually going to be here in a few minutes to pick it up. I'm going to quickly run the camera around, show you guys, and that's about it. So yeah, here we go, back to the front end. No more bugs, no more grossness here. Nice and clean. Chrome's actually shining. Wheels and tires, I did not dress them up. All I did is clean them. I don't like tire dressing. I don't like tire shine. To me it looks too fake, which it kind of is, right? But I don't like the shine. I just like the matte black look of a freshly clean tire. Looks more like a new tire. So here we go, we got the inside of the back. Floor mat's nice and clean. I did use VRT, which is vinyl rubber and trim, on an app clear pad. Go over all the floor mats. Just gives an extra layer of protection and also shines them up a little bit to make them look like new. Other than that, when I finish it off, it's just wipe down with interior detailer, quick wipe down after the cleaning. Gives it that new look. It doesn't feel gross. So it's a nice thing about Adams polishes. It doesn't feel like greasy and gross like that. So there we go. Nicely clean truck. Ready for the customer. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe for more future content. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to check the description below. Peace.